Good afternoon, everybody. Mrs. J today is going to be reading you a book called Dad's Snore. Dad's Snore. Dad had a terrible snore. "Stop that noise," said Mum. Zzz. Dad's snore rumbled along the hallway. "Stop that noise," said Anna. Zzz. The snore bounced down the stairs. "Stop that noise," said Ryan. Zzz. The snore rolled round the corner. "Stop that noise," said Grandma. Zzz. The snore roared over the cat's basket. "Meow," yowled the cat. Zzz. Meow. The snore boomed out of the dog's kennel. "Arroo!" howled the dog. Zzz. Arroo! 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 Meow! Meow! Dad woke up. "Stop that noise," said Dad. Well, that's a funny story, isn't it? Okay. Now, what I would like you to do is I'd like you to choose one of these characters, any one of these characters, okay? And I want you to draw them kind of like they've done on this page, okay? So you can see the kitty cat here, okay? And the kitty cat is saying meow, and then it's got a speech bubble underneath it saying meow. Now I'd like you guys to choose one of the characters and draw them, okay? So draw a picture and draw them with a speech bubble saying what it is they'd say. Now you can choose one of the characters in this story if you want to, okay? Or you could draw yourself with a speech bubble saying, "Stop that noise," because Daddy's snoring in the background. Or you can choose any other character. I'm going to let you guys choose whatever you'd like to do. As long as there is a speech bubble saying something like, "Stop that noise," or "Arroo," like a dog. Okay? Something like that. And then you can send those pictures into Mrs. J or to Mrs. McCleary. And we're really excited to be able to see them. Okay? Awesome. See you later.